So we've started already. Alright, so I've sent the link to Are you guys here? You're looking at my screen though. Bolu. I will just look at my screen. This is the screen we're looking at now. Why? Yeah, because of the internet. It's touching, yeah. Eh? The internet issue. So I've sent you the first link. So this one is to put your review. It's on Slack. Let me forward it to the classroom too. So you help us write review. Okay. Your experience here, just tell us. Because other people too are gonna see it. And this other one too is also to assess your training here so far. Oh. Alright, so I've pasted the two links. I've pasted the two links on both the classroom and Slack. So before you go home today, please help us write a review and fill the other form. And also I'll be taking your pictures. Yes, so that we can add it to our website. We have other people there too, other students. And also you can also share it to your friends. Maybe your employer or someone else. So that you did your training here. And also, yeah, I forgot. We're supposed to create a LinkedIn account. Alright, that's also very important. LinkedIn account. Okay, yeah, you can use it. Depending on your profile. I also help you guys to optimize your profile. So start with that. We'll do that today to everything. And you guys also send me your GitHub link. So many things to do today. Alright, so I already attached your assignment, your classwork, I mean. So today is just classwork. So this is the instruction: build with HTML and CSS, deploy on Netlify and GitHub. We're covering that today. And submit. So this one, you submit your deployed links. So you have like two links. Just forward the two links here. So I was unable to upload the picture here, but I attached the picture on Slack. So this is the picture of the assignment or the classwork, I mean. So let me explain this to us. Okay, it might just be a single form. I'm clicking on it. So you see the same thing of, can you see my screen? Bolu, you're not looking at this place, so if you have questions. So this is just a basic form. You can see it's login. Okay, and this login form only has email and password. Okay, and there's a button here saying login, and you can see a text here say don't have an account, like you don't have an account, register. So the other part of this classwork is when I click on this register button, this register link here, it should take me to the register page too. That will look like this, but the heading should be register. And on your register form, you should have name, email, and password. So that's just it. So on your register interface, you should have a register here, and also you should have the name. So you have name, and you can also add your email and password with a register button. All right. And on your register form, you should have you have an account, login instead. Do you guys get it? Do you understand? So just like your normal Facebook, if you don't have an account, she'll tell you to create an account. They'll put a link there. But if you don't have an account, they'll tell you to log in. So you should have like two forms here, one for login and one for register. And you put the text under. So if for login, you have don't have an account, register. For register, you already have an account, login. So that's it. You're not listening now. You're looking at your laptop there.
No, I did that. Just like if you click it, what will it take us to?
We take you to, for this login now, it will take you to the register page. This don't have an account. You can see you don't have an account here. When you click on it, it will take you to a register page that will look exactly like this, but the text will change. You should have a register here. You should have another form that says name. Then you should add your email and password to it. Then this button should be register instead of login. And the text here should be you already have an account, login. Which one do you not understand there?
Like we don't have an account.
This don't have an account is register now. If you see a login, if you go online, if you see a login page, they will ask you, okay, login means you already have an account with that site. So just log in. But this text is saying if you don't have an account, register. So when you click on this register on the login page, it will take you to the page where you're going to register on. So on that register page, you should have a form. Instead of just email and password, put the first one should be name, then you can add email and password to it. Okay.
Are you connected to this one?
Yes, you're going to connect it now. It's going to be connected. So you have like 2 pages, one for login and one for register under your projects. Do you understand? Huh? Which one do you understand
So
there?
like if you run it with this one, like maybe you just connect it to this color list.
Let's
Are we
see.
going to this thing again?
You're not using color. This is what you're using now. You're not using color.
Like do not have an account.
I don't understand. Okay, let's use this one. So maybe this will be a login. Okay, so on your login page, that means you already have an account, but under the form here, for those people that are just coming to this site for the first time and they don't have an account, there will be a text under here that say you don't have an account. Then they'll put the register link there, so that when the user click on register, it will take them to another form that look exactly like this, but the text will change. Instead of login, it will not be register. Do you understand? uh, it's just connection using your anchor tag to link them together. That's just it. Anchor tag, your A tag. Okay, so this register link that is here, when I click on it, it should take me to another page that look exactly like this, but the text here, instead of login, to not be register. Then you have your name. So just add a name, then add email and password. Then this button will be register instead of login. Then under it, it will not be you already have an account. You're on the register page now. You already have an account, login. So it's just to do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. All right, so that's the classwork for today. So let me go back. Let me go back to how we deployed on GitHub. Then I think Netlify link, that site is working now, so we can also push on Netlify. Of what?
Of that classwork. Because we just like
I wrote classwork 3
so we should have like classwork 3 for it.
for your title.
Yes.
Depend on the title now.
You do another work.
Huh?
You do another work.
For that login.
You should what?
Do another work again.
It's another project now, so you open another folder.
Okay.
You want to do it on your color rip.
What's color read?
The previous assignment. I said for every project you have to upload that.
I'll link it down.
No, you're not linking this one. You're starting another project
No,
from
like,
afresh.
I already started. Like, once we link it, like, I'll just change that color to register.
No, don't use color rip. Open another folder. Start. Yes, it's a different project. Alright.
Anything you like. Hey. Huh? Understand me now.
Which one?
You can do anything you like.
Like how?
For the project now. For this classwork.
Yes.
You can do anything you like.
Like how? It's the assignment. I mean classwork you're doing. Which one is anything like?
You know, you used to give us this in school. Like, we get this. But now we can.
No, this is it now. I've attached the image now. I couldn't attach it on the classroom, so I attached it on the Slack. Do you see it? Let me attach it on this is it here. I couldn't attach it here because it's telling me to. classwork 3. So let me go and put it here on the stream. And I'll say assignment. A big class. What am I saying assignment? Classwork. I can't even upload it here too. To give me the same thing.
Ma, this don't have an account register.
Mm-hmm.
How do you do that? Which tab do you use?
That's a paragraph tag. But that register is a link. So you attach it. Uh-huh. This is.
So they will now open it inside HREF.
Yes. So it's not attaching. Yes. It's just simple logic. Huh?
Each of you need for this one again.
What is that?
We need each for
Yes, but
that
it's a link now.
So you can just copy like my LinkedIn link.
You're not using LinkedIn link. Yeah. You could not
So which
understand
link
me.
will you put in the anchor tag?
You put okay, this one now look at it now. You have like 2 pages, one for login and the other one for register. So you're not taking the user to an external link outside your project. It's going to be inside within an inner page. Okay, so you have a page for maybe your login, you call it index dot because it's the first one here, you can call it index.html, and the second page will be register.html. So your index.html, which is the login, you create this form that look like this. You create this interface. Everything is looking like this. Okay, you put the login, everything. So on your register too, you create the same thing like this. Register page, register.html, create it like this too. But you change this thing. You change it to register. You add another form here called name. You change the form login here. Instead of login, you put register here. And you change the text here. Instead of the register, it will be login. You get. So that when you now come to the login, when you now click on this register here, it will now take you to the register page. Do you get?
You explain now later. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay. So let's deploy. A lot to do. Let's deploy. So I want to deploy my omelet site on GitHub. So let's open my GitHub. I already have an account with GitHub. What is the issue? So I said GitHub is like a code tracker and code management system, or we call it source control. Okay, if maybe you and some other people are working on a project, all right, both of you can push your code to that platform and you still get the same thing. It also helps you to track your code, and also apart from that, it also helps you to it gives you the link when you deploy your project on the GitHub page. It gives you a link for that, so I can maybe share it to people just to host your project. All right. So this is um my interface. Let me sign in. Signing is login. So let me log in. I think network is slow. All right. So I think this. This. Okay, send me an email. Three six one four. All right, so I'm here. So what you need to do is to create a repository. Okay, you've already opened your code on the VS Code. You are sure it's running properly. So let's open it with live server.
Now can you like lean back so we can see what's
I should move back like this.
lean? Sorry ma.
Huh?
Am I ma?
Huh? Okay. So this is the project I want to deploy. This is another project I want to deploy just to show you guys what we did the last time. Or if you are not clear about it. So this is the project I want to deploy. I've opened it on my VS Code. Alright. So the next thing is to go to my GitHub. Okay. Then create a repository. You can see this plus sign here. Click on the drop down. Click on new repository. Alright, so you give it a name. You give it a name that relates to it. So I'm gonna put assignment 4 or 5 for. You can see it's omelette sites we are building. So omelette. How do you spell omelette? Omelette. And just write it like this. Omelette. Alright, you can try to put a description what your project is all about. Then you can say, yeah.
So if I search omelette, this is what if I go to my web and search omelette, this is what it will bring up.
I think it will be taken to show you that it's not available. So you have to pick another name. But this one now, this name is free now. That's why it's available. Eh?
But if I search omelette, you go through now.
Like how? I don't
There are
get.
plenty omelette on the site. Why is it just available? Because it happened to me, you said that they mounted me.
Did you spell it well? I didn't spell it well. Oh. This is what I spell. I think it's double E, but I spelled mine like this. Yep. So if it's not available, tell you to pick another one. So you can try to leave it public. This is not like a complex, so you can leave it public. Then you click on create repository. So after you click on create repository, it will take you to this interface. Ma, are you watching? You can do this after the class or submit. So you can, it will take you to this interface. Okay. No, don't take me. I need to log in. I need to log out from this. This is not the account I wanna use. Sign out. Sign out. Huh? This is the web app now. I don't think they have an application. It's just web. They downloaded on your. Let me see.
And my
Git bash.
bash, no download it.
Why?
I remember I have to be soft
Eh?
tonic. I don't think that's
Soft tonic.
yes.
What is not soft tonic?
Like this listening.
You really need that one to push your site. Okay, that's like the interface. I think you can use something else. 1, 2, 3. So I have 2 accounts. So it's showing me the other one. That one is another thing else. So I need to be sure I'm on the right one. Okay, since you want me to push here, for my something is on. It's gonna give us a show. Sign out on all accounts. Let me sign in again. No, sometimes I think okay, this is it. If you use Netlify, you cannot get the if you want to get the folder later on, maybe you want to have it to your desktop. You can't do that on Netlify. Just the link that will be there. For GitHub, you can download it and to give you as a zip file, then you unzip it yourself.
You know that we together.
No, but and that's for the classwork. I want to be sure you understand it, so you give me 2 links. Ha ha ha. Um, uh, let me go. sign in the other one. History. Yeah. So let me sign out from this.
When I saw that git remove add origin
Mm.
HTTPS, that's when my code stopped running. See that my username and name.
Yes, because that's your first time.
Where is that? Where do I put my username?
You do it after the class. So this one is sign out. Let's oh, see me, I can easily just put uh, this is gonna give us issues. Alright, it's not letting me, so let me just work with it like that. So we have this my username, and this is the name of the project. Alright, so we go back to your VS Code, come here, this three dots here, click on it, go to terminal, new terminal. Alright, then you select the environment you want to use. So we want git bash. You can use command prompt to that one. So the next one is to follow step by step. Okay, the first one here is the git init. Copy it, Ctrl C, come to your VS Code, just click on this, right click, it will bring it out there. Click on enter. Okay, then the next one is not there, so you write, I don't know, so git add dots. Okay,
Git add.
yes, oh sorry, git add minus a. Alright, so not git add, this one is to open the code. This is git add minus a. The next one is this, so don't add this readme file. Sometimes it might give us an error and you might not be able to solve it. So move to the third one or the fourth one here, git commit. So git commit is to commit the change. You can see this place is already green. Alright, so paste it here. You can decide to change this first commit is like a comment. Alright, you can decide to change it. You can see I can't come here to change it. I have to use my arrow key to edit to move inside. So I can remove that first commit and put something else. Let's put deploying to GitHub. So this just to tell, maybe you're working with someone else, just to tell the other partner, okay, this is what I did there. So enter. So you can see it will give you this create mode, create mode, create mode. Alright. So the next thing is to change the branch. So it's very advisable to not push with this master branch. Try to create another branch. So this git branch minus capital M main is to change the branch to main. Yes. Alright. So the next one is what? git remote, just be copying everything. Git remote, let's copy this. I'll create no trail because it is my account. So paste this. Okay, it's working. Then go and push. So let's push to this git push main. So let's wait for it.
How do this box stuff?
All box stuff.
Is it from like this one here?
Hmm?
From this stuff here? This
What box?
this problem output debug.
Okay, it's from here. When I click on terminal, it will take to bring everything now.
When I click on this place,
You click on these three dots. You can see these three dots here. Click on this terminal, new terminal, and it will bring you here. So you can see because of my account, it's going to show me this error. So
Are we
403.
sharing that?
Eh?
Sure.
It's because of my account. This is not the account I used to use and push to. So I need to ask ChatGPT. So let me paste it here. So um you might also encounter like what you encounter too. You're supposed to even ask ChatGPT why is my something not working. Uh-huh.
You have ChatGPT in the past.
Yes now.
Can you able to solve
I
it?
can answer that.
Yes, you have ChatGPT now.
Can
It's
you
for
able
you
to
to
solve it that day now?
eh?
You have ChatGPT that day. I was
Mm.
following you now.
Hey, it's good of my account still too, and it was able to solve it now.
That day.
Yes now. You push to the other accounts. So you see 403 error. I don't have permission to put it everything because I've not used it before.
Yes.
Um, okay.
But for the A12, I
Mm.
register. After writing A12, then why not write register again?
You put the name of the file there now.
But I'm not going to file.
Create it then. So let me paste this here. Just follow through. Okay. I need to go and change the account. Windows credential management. So because I have two accounts and I use the second one, this particular one for different thing. The other one that I have is mainly for this credentials. So you guys won't encounter this though, because your one is different now. Where is the Windows credentials? So I need to remove this account from here. So I need to remove it. Alright, so let's push back. Hopefully it works. So let's go back to my code and I'll go up. Okay, so it's telling me to sign in. So let me sign in. So I'll sign in without my account. Oh. Let me do. Alright. Alright, so it has gone. I've been able to push it. And when you see something like this, and when you stop, you can see that it's been deployed to GitHub. can try to click, yes, so you can try to click this link, or you can just come to the same browser. Alright, so I can just refresh it from here. Alright, you can see that it has been deployed to my GitHub. Okay, so GitHub also serves as a deployment site, able to host your projects.
So if I should start that update now,
It's taking.
browser,
Mm-hmm.
bring your
No. I've not gotten the link yet. So this one is just to push my project to this platform. Okay, now I want to get the link so that I can share it to people. All right. So let's go to settings, then come down here to pages. So you have to push to their page, the GitHub page. And you can see we deploy from a branch, right? So you select the branch name, main, right? Then you save. Then you see this notification, you know that you did the right thing. Come back to this tab, code. Alright, you see this dot here, pending. It's actually deploying. You want to check what it looks like, you can just click on it and go to details to see how it's going. So you can see it's building. So you wait for it to build, then it's going to report, then deploy. So this is what it's going to be doing. You have to wait for it. So it's done building. It's moving to that moves to the report. It's done reporting. Then the deploy stage. So I think it's done with the deployment. So you click on it, then come to complete job. Click on that arrow close to it so that you can bring out the drop down. So this is my link. So you can see GitHub gave me, you can see my username here. So if I send this link here to anybody, they will see my username, they will see GitHub, this extension.io. Everybody know that I deployed on GitHub. But you see the name of the project, Omelette. So let's open it. So you can see my site is deployed. If I just send you this link, you see that it will take you the same place here. But my image is not showing, you can see. So let me go and check what it is. So advantage of GitHub is that you can edit your code. Maybe you have a change and you can push back. Then it saves your change automatically. Alright, so this is my image here that is not showing. So I'm going to find out why. Let me use just basic and just click on this. Alright, so let me push back. So I've made some change here and you can see here it's already brown. So instead of me writing that same code, just a little bit code here, I can just use this source control to push back to GitHub. So I'll click on this. Alright, try to expand it because you are looking for these three dots. Then click on these three dots. Then you click on stage all changes. No, you don't need to know this now. Then you commit. So commit is like a comment. Write what you did there. Updated my image. Alright, then you see this tick sign here. Click on it. Alright, so let's wait for it. It's still moving. So after that, you need to push back. You can either sync changes or you can come back here, then click here and push. So it's going to push back to GitHub and wait for like 2 or 3 minutes, then the changes should be. So it's done pushing. Okay, you can see that everything is normal. So I can come back here. Okay, you can come back to this side here. Just refresh the same link, but still give it time. So I'll come back to my GitHub here. Let's go back to the code. It's going to do that same process again. can see this thing, so it's still pending. So while it's pending, let's go to Netlify. So that's the first thing, the link you get from GitHub. Okay, and let's go to the second platform where you can get host your projects. The second one is in Netlify. Okay, so for Netlify you can upload manually. Okay, you see this is my interface, this is my account, this is the name of my account, this is my project, all my projects I've done. Okay, including the one I teach in the class. Alright, so when you come to projects, you're already on projects, so you see this add new projects. So let's do the first one. Let's deploy manually. So click on deploy manually. So that one you can just drag the project. Okay, I'll go back to where I have my project, where it's under document, and then Cohort 5. I think this is omelet site, right? So I can just drag it, bring it here, then upload it here. Or you can click on that upload something there, then it takes you to the page, whichever one works for you. So you can see, please don't refresh. So you have to leave it for it to, so it has like accepted it. So that one fast has given me the link already. But this name don't make sense, right? This Jade page, you can click on it to see that it will take me to the site. You can see. I think our image is back. Let me reduce it. So this one is very easy, deploy manually. But the issue with this one is that if you make changes, the one that you've already deployed manually will not take the changes. All right. Hmm? Eh? Yeah, so that's the disadvantage of this manually on. When you deploy manually, this link now, when you make changes on your local VS code here, it will not take it because you deploy manually. All right, so let's change this name. This Jade doesn't like make sense. Okay, yes, you can change this Jade, but this netlify.app will still be there because it shows that you're using the app, right? So let's go to project configuration. All right, then come down here, you can see change project name. So you can change the name. Let's change the name to, let's say, just say Omi. Let's see if it makes sense or it's chosen. The name is already taken. So Omli. Okay, so we've changed the name. So you can see, but this one will not work again because this name we've removed it. And because I've changed the name now, so this Jade P Girls is not more there again. So you're gonna take the new one. So the name is omly.netlify.app.
Omi, O-M-E.
Double L-Y. Yes. Yes. So this is it. You can see we have this thing. I can share it and anybody can get it. Okay. So the next one is to let's check the GitHub one. So this is the GitHub one. Let me refresh. You should be done deploying. So you can see this is marked. So let me refresh that same link. Yeah, so this is the link. Let's refresh and see if our image. So our image is back. Can you see GitHub? After I made my change and I push back, the image is back here. I don't need to re-upload. So I have two links now. This one from GitHub. This one I deployed manually. Okay. And the last one is also importing from GitHub. What's the issue? Are you here? Is there? Uh-huh. So the next one is to get the import from GitHub. So the first one we deployed on GitHub. The next one we uploaded manually to Netlify. The third one is to import your projects from GitHub. So some people don't like to have this github.io or something. How is it showing that? So some people don't want to have this my username blessing.ogo.github.io is too long, so they just prefer maybe netlify.app. So what they will do is that they will import this project from GitHub to Netlify. So let's do the second one. So see import from existing projects here. Click on it. So you can see the platform here. We did it on GitHub, right? So click on GitHub. All right, so it wants to authorize, so you have to wait for it. So, hmm? Yeah. No, anytime you upload a project, you have to connect it again. All right. Say 4 years ago. See this one. Okay, this is 6 minutes ago. This is the site I uploaded on GitHub. All right. So I'll click on it, and it takes me here. Then you can try to give it the same name. This same name here. Change the project name. You have to give it a name. Let's say the home latte. Notice that it's different projects, so the name is not available. Somebody have taken it. So let's say home lily. All right. I think this home lily is, like you can see, it's taken. Let me put another Y here. So home lily is not taken. So skip all this other one. You don't need to work on them. Then deploy home lily. Home lily. All right. So is waiting for it to deploy. So now we have 3 links. Can you see? So we have 3 links. Only.netlify. But this one now, if I should update, whatever changes I update on GitHub is going to affect it. So this is the advantage of this one that you import from GitHub. Alright. So we have 3 links: Home Lily, Homely, and Omelette. Any question? I just did it now. Are you not listening? Okay, so this I will not import it, but I'll just show you. So home lily, come back to your projects. Okay, then click on add new project, then click on import, yes, existing projects here, then click on GitHub, right? Then to take you to where you're going to select the project. Hopefully, okay, you have to authorize first. Then this is going to take you here, so you're going to select the project. Since you know the name, this is the name, right? You can see 8 minutes ago. Then you click on it. All right, click on it. It takes you here. Just be following the step one after the other, following the step. Then you give it a name here. Then after you're done, you deploy. All right, so that's it. So any question? So our classwork is do your project, deploy on GitHub. I think you need to do the 3 links, so I'll be sure you understand it. But moving forward, you just stick to one link. It's for your own good now. It's not my own. I didn't know how to do it. People are so lazy.
We started the class week. Now what time do you want to make?
And that's why I wanted to do it here so that I will see where you're having issues.
An existing project that we've already.
And that one, no, your classwork. No, you need to deploy it. I need to see the classwork one.
Let's just do this one to the following.
It's for your good now.
No, like we've already done HTML, we've done CSS. Don't just talk on one of them.
No, the classwork one, I want it to deploy so that we do everything together.
Like that, if you click on the register, if you don't want another one again, let's take on to that.
It's very.
Let's just use that.
You just duplicate. No, you just duplicate your login now. Just do it twice in your double page. The design you gave for login, the same design you give for register. Just change the name. Now, this is very simple now. Okay, so I think we are done for today. I want you guys to do so I can see what you are doing. I can make correction and you get it. Which one? I think I do have the assignment.
No.
So just start.
We are not done.
And we are still here now till 5.